7 Tips for Getting the Most Out of TikTok. There are only a few phone apps that almost everyone has heard of, and TikTok is one of them. The short-form video sharing and social media platform is incredibly popular, with 1 billion users expected by 2022. That's not quite enough to compete with Facebook's 2.9 billion, but it's getting there. Part of the reason for this success is how simple it is to jump in and start watching videos tailored to your specific interests. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll discover a plethora of features and settings that can improve your TikTok experience in a variety of ways. Whether you're browsing or creating videos, hashtags are one of the best ways to discover new content or reach a larger audience. They function similarly to other social networks such as Twitter and Instagram, but there are a few extra features to be aware of. You can save a hashtag by tapping Add to Favorites at the bottom of any video. This creates a shortcut to that particular hashtag, which you can access by going to your profile, tapping the bookmark icon, and then Hashtags. By opening the Discover tab, you can also find trending hashtags. To find a specific label, tap the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can usually be very specific. You'd be surprised at how many hashtags are available on the platform. If you need inspiration for finding related hashtags or coming up with new ones to add to your own videos, try the TikTok hashtag generator online, where you can type the name of a label and the platform will show you a list of similar ones you can use and tell you how popular they are. 2. Convert your favorite TikToks into GIFs. If you find a TikTok that you absolutely love, you should consider sharing it on other platforms as well. Making a portion of it into a GIF can help. Fortunately, the option to convert TikToks to GIFs is built right into the app. While watching the relevant video, tap the Share button on the right. It looks like an arrow, then select Share as GIF. You can then select up to 5 seconds of video to convert into memorable format using the timeline at the bottom. When you press the Generate button, the app will save the GIF to your phone's gallery. You can immediately share the GIF to another app, such as WhatsApp or Instagram, but you don't have to because TikTok saves the file locally on your phone. 3. Boost mobile performance. When it comes to catching up on your favorite creators, you won't always be able to enjoy fast, free-flowing Wi-Fi while swiping through TikTok. However, there is a setting in the app that can assist. Tap the Profile tab, then the Menu button, Free Lines, top right, and then Data Saver. When you enable the Data Saver toggle switch, TikTok will use less bandwidth and display videos at a lower resolution. This should result in less buffering on weak cellular connections, but you can also use it on strong cellular connections if you want to limit the amount of data you use while out and about. 4. Make a photo slideshow TikTok. TikTok is a more versatile app than you may think. Your creations don't have to be short videos, instead, they can be photo slideshows, giving you a chance to vary what you post on your feed. When you're on the TikTok creation screen, tap the Upload button next to the Record button to access your phone's gallery. Tap Photos, then select Multiple, and then select them from the gallery in the order you want them to appear in your slideshow. Tap Next to see a preview of your clip before deciding on any captions, mentions, or hashtags you want to include. You'll also find all of the standard upload options. To send the slideshow to your feed, tap Post. Make your own green screen effects. Speaking of features you might not be aware TikTok has, you can use a rudimentary green screen effect when creating a video to replace your current backdrop with something a little less mundane. When you're on the TikTok app's recording screen, tap the Effects button to the left of the Record button. The first 2 effects are static and animated backgrounds, which are applied automatically behind whatever is in the shot's foreground. You can use one of TikTok's backdrops or choose something from your phone gallery by scrolling through the thumbnails just above the effects box. Once you've decided, you can record your video normally. 6. Take care of yourself on TikTok. TikTok, like many other apps, can be a time waster, but help is at hand. Tap the Menu button in your profile, then select Settings and Privacy. The following screen will allow you to set daily screen time limits, set reminders to take breaks from the app, and see how much time you've recently spent on TikTok. You can easily override these settings because they are locked by a PIN code that you set yourself, but they can help remind you to keep your TikTok usage within reasonable limits. Because there is PIN code protection, you can use the same features to limit what your children do in the app, assuming they are willing to give you access to their phone to set them up. 7. Keep your TikTok privacy safe.